Did you know that the phrase, "bless you," after someone sneezes has roots in ancient superstition? This practice dates back to the 6th century when the Black Death was ravaging Europe. People believed that sneezing could expel evil spirits, or worse, that it was a sign of impending death. Saying "God bless you" was a way to protect the sneezer from these malevolent forces. Fast forward to today, and it's a polite reflex. But the origins remind us how fear shaped our everyday language. So, next time you hear "bless you," think about those ancient fears still echoing in our lives. Isn't it fascinating how history sneaks into our daily habits?